Hi everyone, Dav Spear here from Smiths in Swansea. Today we're in West Cross. We're situated on Grange Road where I've got a fantastic opportunity for somebody who is looking to put a footprint in this area. To my left hand side we've got a substantial detached property, versatile living and multi-generational screaming in this property, so please stick around and take a look for yourself. Follow me inside and have a look. We're now inside the property where the footprint is substantial. We're standing in a property which is over 3,500 square feet. We've got multiple bedrooms, bathrooms and reception rooms to the ground floor. To my right hand side we've got fantastic views over Swansea Bay and beyond. Lovely views of the pier as well. I invite you to take a look for yourself. So that was our property in West Cross. Grange Road is for sale and on the market. I'd be delighted to speak to you or somebody you know if you're interested. We're in close proximity of the beachfront. We're in close proximity of public transport routes and local schools as well, which comprise of a Welsh-speaking school, Catholic school and primary, as well as our local comprehensive schools as well. If it's of interest, give us a shout. My number's on the screen. Call the office. I'd be delighted to speak to you. Book your viewing now for the open date, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.